Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install Windows 10, and in this tutorial I'm using Virtualbox to simulate installation, but the way of installation is still same either you use Virtualbox or bare metal machine. Here we create Virtualbox instance first, and if you install to bare metal machine you can skip this step. In Virtualbox main window, click New button, type your instance, and for type select Microsoft Windows. For version Windows 10 64-bit, but if you just have 32-bit or x86, you must choose Windows 10 32-bit, but I have 64-bit, so I choose Windows 10 64-bit. And for memory size I leave to 2 gig, and for hard drive create a virtual hard disk now. Click create button, and now we create virtual hard disk. Select your location to save your virtual hard drive, and for memory size I set to 50 gig. Okay, for other setting leave to default, and now click your instance, click settings button, go to system and uncheck floppy, send to bottom. For processor you can give it 1 CPU, but for this tutorial I want to use 2 CPU core. Enable PA-NX. For display enable 3D acceleration, and for video memory set to max. Remote display no. For storage select your ISO. If you use installation for DVD you can choose it here, it will show, but I don't have DVD drive, but I have by Windows before. So now for audio and okay, leave all setting to default and click OK. Now start your instance. Oh, okay. And in bare metal installation, make sure you have set your first boot to DVD drive from BIOS. Sorry, I can't create video there because it's very variative, depend on your motherboard. But usually to enter BIOS you can press either F1, F2 or F3 or F11 or F12 or del key. Generally del key during startup machine, or you can press F8 to select boot priority directly if your motherboard have that menu. And once you have set your boot priority to DVD drive and have insert your DVD installer, then message press any key to boot from CD or DVD will show. And when that message show, press any key to enter installation. You can press space bar or enter or any key to enter installation window. And after you press that, you will see this installation window. Here we have some input language, which is language for installation, time currency format. You can select your time currency, but I use English United States for this tutorial. For keyboard or input method, you can choose your input keyboard method. My keyboard just US input, so I leave to default. And after you fill this input, you can select new to enter installation and click install now. Okay, setup is starting. Here Windows asks you to enter your product key. If you have that, and if you can connect to internet, you can input your product key here. But in my experience, I have product key, but I cannot connect to internet because I need to install network driver first. So in this tutorial I will skip any input product key, and later I will show you how to input your product key when you can connect to internet or after you install network driver. So in this step I skip, and now select your Windows version you want to install, or based on what your product key you have. For this tutorial I just use Windows 10 Pro. Accept agreement and choose custom install Windows only, because we want to install Windows for first time. And here you will ask to create partition. I suggest you create two partition, one for system or Windows installation, and one for data. For system I set to 32 gig, and here Windows will prompt you to create new partition. Other partition need to system, and here I create partition for data just for example. And for system partition, I suggest you use at least 200 gig or 100 is enough actually, but I suggest 200 or more. And for partition data, you can choose any size you want based on your hard drive. For data, click format to format this partition. And for after you finish format, you select where you want to install Windows. This example is partition 2 or system partition, which I suggest it has at least 200 gig. After select your partition, click next, and now wait for installation to finish. Okay, after few minutes installation process, and after your computer restarts several times, you will get this window to enter your product key. But as I tell you before, if you cannot connect to internet, just skip this step. But if you can connect, you can enter your product key here and click next button. In this tutorial, I don't have any product key because this just for tutorial, so I skip this step. Click do this later, and for setting, just use express setting. Okay, we must wait. Okay, after Windows setting up with express setting, now Windows will show you to choose this your computer or not, and if you have owned it, then select I own it. But if you install Windows to your work or school, select my work or school own it. In this tutorial, I just use I own it. Click, select next, and now you will prompt to login to your Microsoft account. You can login it here if you can connect to internet. For this tutorial, I just skip this step, and now type your username, enter your password, type again password hint to ignite your remember your password. You can choose any word that can help you to remember your password. After you fill this input, click next. Okay, we have wait for Windows setting up again. This won't take long. Okay. Okay. After Windows setting up your computer, and now you have Windows desktop. Now you can install your network driver, and after installation finish, you can add product key by click property. This PC usually on Windows 7 it's named my computer. So in this PC, just click property and activate Windows. Click here, click change product key, yes, and type your product key here. After your product key type, if valid, then this cancel button will change to next button, and after that click next, and you will you will see some message. Just click next again, and you have wait to your Windows verify. After verify, you will see this message will change, and okay, now you have success install Windows 10. I hope this video helped you to install Windows 10, and please click like button if this video helpful, or dislike button if not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in next video.